Welcome to our channel. Today I really want to show you exactly how to safely clean out the USB-C charging port on your TCL 20SE smartphone device. So we need a square brush with bristles about 2 centimeters long. The bristles need to be flexible, but made from a soft or medium hard material so they don't scratch the phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so it will soften the dirt and help remove it and then simply evaporate without leaving any traces behind. If you don't have such a brush, you can buy this kind of brush diffuser and alcohol on Allegro or Amazon. In a little box like this, you get a complete set of these brushes and a diffuser like this. If you don't have one and can't find one anywhere, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's medium soft or soft, not hard, because a hard one will scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off. Never clean your phone while it is turned on. You have to remember this so you don't damage your phone. Thoroughly moisten the toothbrush with alcohol. Take your phone. Yes. Carefully insert the toothbrush as far in as you possibly can, and then gently sweep out all of the accumulated dust from deep inside the port. I repeat this in one direction about 5 times, and then in the other direction. Either turn the phone the other way, or simply move the toothbrush in the opposite direction, so that the movement is bidirectional. But don't just go back and forth quickly, because then the dirt will stay in the middle. It will just move right and left, but it won't come out. But this way, when you try moving the whole toothbrush in one direction a few times, the dirt will come out of the port completely, and the port will be fully clean. Repeat the motion about 5 times in one direction and then about 5 times in the other direction, and then the port will be completely clean. Just like I said, do it as much as you can. That's exactly why we need those 2 centimeters, because the whole toothbrush fits into the port. The ports are quite long, and this way everything will be swept out. I accidentally turned this phone on. I'll turn it off in a moment. After cleaning, leave the phone for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate, and only then can you use the phone normally. It is highly recommended that you avoid using it while the alcohol is still completely drying, because doing so could potentially cause permanent damage to your delicate internal phone components. Mine happened to turn on by accident, but nothing happened. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.